presentation. So first we have with us Armaan.
So hello everyone, I am Armaan Sayyad and I am from 7th standard. So this is my website and the name of my website is Crickstar, you can see here. And this is my home page. So here I have given means what is cricket, means what basically cricket is and what are the basic requirements to play a cricket match and what are the rules and regulations. And this is the short history of cricket, means when cricket started and who had, means where was it first played, in which year it was played. So it was played in 1844 and the test cricket started from 1877. And this is the father of cricket, you can see he is W.G. Grace, he is the father of cricket. And this is my teams page. So these are the current teams which play in international cricket, teams of international cricket. And this is my WC winners. WC winners means the World Cup winners. And these are the winners of the ODI World Cup. This is ODI World Cup winners and this is T20 World Cup winners. So this was my WC winners and now these are the records. And these are the records made by players in international cricket. So this is all from my website.
Okay, nice work Armaan. So next we have Om.
Hello everyone, present myself Om Agrawal and I am in class 7. So I have made websites on computer on Charles Babbage and about me. This is my home page about computers. I have divided the content into many parts so the user can understand what I want to tell them. And in every content, I have used images to describe the content so he or she can understand more easily, like this. And also I have given some hyperlinks to my home page of different websites so they can know more deeply about the content, like this. I have given this hyperlink so they can know more about the parts of computers, like this. And then all my content, and I have images, and I have used images. Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, this is my second page. Here I have told about Charles Babbage, who was the first person to invent computers. And in this page, I have just focused on 3 to 4 colors, by which my second page would look beautiful.
Okay.
And Charles Babbage, here also I have divided the content and also used images. And here I have used hover tag. So whenever someone hover to it will change to dotted blue. And here I have made table. And ma'am, this is my third page about me. Here I have told about me, about my hobby, class, age, school, and the sports I like the most. And that is cricket. And in cricket, my favorite player is Virat Kohli. So here also I have used hover tag. And about Virat Kohli also I have wrote about the records made by him, or he is holding the records now. And then I have my YouTube channel also, that is Activities with Om. And ma'am, this is my last part of my website. This is that comment on my website. And in the footer I have put the logo of Facebook, Twitter, and Google.
Nice work Om. Good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now next we have Preya.
Hello everyone, I am Preya and I study in grade 6. Today I will be presenting my website based on my favorite series, Just Add Magic. Just Add Magic is a series based on 3 best friends, Kelly, Hannah and Darby, who found a magic cookbook in Kelly's attic. It's based on how they deal with the problems caused by the cookbook and how they use it in their daily life. It is also, the series is based on the book Just Add Magic written by Cindy Callaghan. So in this whole website, you will get all the information about Just Add Magic. So let me give you a run through my website. First page is homepage. Over here are the awards and nominations. All the episodes of Just Magic will be available on Amazon Prime Video. Here I have used the social media buttons and I have added a hyperlink to it. If you click over here, it will take you to the respective social media page. Now let's move on to the next tab, cast and characters. Over here there are the main characters. Now let's move to a new tab, Season 1. This is the link for Season 1. If you click here, you will be able to see Season 1 in Prime Video. This is the description of Season 1 and summary of the episodes are here. Next, let's move on to Season 2. Season 2 has two parts, Season 201 and 2 Part 2. So over here also I have given the description of the episodes and the summary. Let's move to Part 2. Now let's move on to Season 3. So let's move on to the Mystery City tab. Over here there are a new cast. So the main characters are Jolie Hong Rappaport as Zoe, Tyler Sanders as Leo, and Jenna Qureshi as Ishita. And over here is the description of the episodes and Mystery City. Last but not the least, let's move to the trailers tab. Over here you can see the trailers. If you click on this button, you will be able to see the trailer. We couldn't add the trailer of Season 201 as it is not available, but as soon as it will be available, we'll update you people.
It's really nice, Priya. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Great. So now we'll move on to next. Who is next? Astha.
Hi guys, my name is Souradeepa Dev and I made a website on Percy Jackson series. So in total, I have many tabs, but each tab has its own work to do. So in this home tab, I made a small description about Percy Jackson, like how he got to know he was a demigod and he was the son of Poseidon and etc. And a little bit about myself. So this was the first tab. Now in the second tab, it is a little bit about the books. The books, 5 books about Percy Jackson, and a little bit sneak peeks at the trailers about the movies of the Percy Jackson. And then there are some main characters which appear in almost all the books and all the series. Mostly all of them are demigods as they travel together for each and every new adventure. They find each other in each and every book and they try to stay together and stay alive mostly to defeat the demons and the people who are trying to defeat the gods and take over the Olympus. And then as the book is written by Rick Riordan, so it is a little bit about Rick Riordan, where he was born and how he got inspired to write Percy Jackson series and his awards, most awards. Then in this tab, there are other series by Rick Riordan. But in all of these series, the one thing that is common is they all are connected somewhere or the other by Percy Jackson's main series, the first series of Percy Jackson. So in Heroes of Olympus, they try to, most of them lose their memories and they get swapped. So the Greek demigod, goes to the Roman, and the Roman demigods go to the Greek. And they both are sworn enemies, the Greek and Romans. They can't take each other's presence. And in this last one, there's review. So over here, you can write your name. For example, my name is Souradeepa, so I can type my name. And then over here, my last name is Dev, so I can write my name. And then however I like my, my website. Suppose it's 3 stars, you can always choose it.
You
And
can
then
give
once
it
you
a
send it,
star.
yes, it will come back to as it was.
Ah.
So this was about my website. Of course, it's awesome.
Nice work, Asta. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
That was wonderful, Asta.
Okay, so we'll move on to our next presenter, Umar.
So, hello everyone, respected teachers and dear colleagues, wish you a good day. My name is Umar Mulla and I'm in class 8. Today I would like to present my web development work entitled Indian Food Library. So, what inspired me the subject of Indian Food Library? I've been living outside of India for most of my childhood and have come across many situations with friends and colleagues of different nationalities asking about Indian food. Now considering how vast our Indian culture and regional diversification is, it is difficult to convey all what Indian cuisine has to offer in such a small duration. So that propelled me to kind of have a one-stop shop or a library for anyone who would like to explore our great Indian food, and so I selected this subject. Now to get started with my website, I made the Indian Food Library. I first did this marquee tag thing, so by Umar Mulla, the creator, will be shown on the screen, and at the top obviously the title, Indian Food Library. So I divided it into 4 sections: my homepage, foods page, beverages and desserts. And so let's explore the homepage. I added an image of food library and some more decorative images and a bit description about the food library. So since food is something we need to survive, without food there is nothing we can do. If we can get access to food, we might not know what to eat, and that's where the website comes in, and how to cook. So that's where the website comes in. This website shows many different options of food from India and also shows how to cook them. And here's also a way to contact me. If you click here, you can also visit the Facebook page and the Twitter and Google. So let's see the next page of food. So foods again have further divided into 5 sections: North Indian food, South Indian food, Bengali food, and Mughlai food, and Bombay street food. Now let's see North Indian food. North Indian food, I have arranged all the information in a table showing the name, description and its image on the right hand side. And if you can see, if you click on this image, the name of this food, it will show you to a whole new window in another website and show its recipe over here. Steps to the recipe for each and every food in the same way. Then beverages, the drinks which come with every meal, the necessary ones. I've done a little different this time. I give the name, description and image, but the recipe in a video from YouTube by using iframe tag. iframe. So if you click on this video, it will show you the recipe to make. That's it. So that's it for my website. Thank you.
Good job, Umar. Very informative website, and now I am hungry after.
Yes. Actually, it's said now, right? Teachers can open the door, but you have to enter yourself.
Yes, and I'm very lucky to have students. Like every student is eager to enter and explore the new world. It is like that. all 5 of them were like, yes ma'am, we'll do it. Yes ma'am, we'll make it that way.
Thank you so much, all the participants and the audiences, to motivate them. And all the websites are in the chat window for your reference if you want to see it live. Great. So, thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you very
And
much.
see you all again in any other session. And we'll keep you updated as well.
Thank you, ma'am, for
Thank you,
teaching
ma'am.
us.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.